Make gold from old notebook computer, Part 1. If you have an old notebook computer that you want to dispose of, there is gold in it. Let's disassemble it to find out how much gold there is in it. Batteries generally do not contain gold. Let's overlook first. Can't find gold. Old-fashioned things are made to look tough. If I have free time, I'm going to disassemble this battery. Look inside. Upcycling or repurposing. If you're feeling creative, you might be able to repurpose some components of the computer for other projects. Separating parts may take time, and must have tools for disassembly, such as a Phillips screwdriver and a flathead screwdriver. The first thing we should notice or look for is gold color of the material inside. Because it is an old hardware technology, I guess this is RAM. And inside there was a gold wire. This card is probably a graphics card. It looks good and has a large IC chip with many legs. And that means the amount of gold we will receive will increase if we have a large quantity of many chips. Do old hard drives have gold? Yes, old hard drives can contain trace amounts of gold along with other precious metals like silver and platinum. These metals are used in various components of a hard drive, such as connectors, pins, IC chip, and sometimes even in the plating of the disks themselves. Is there gold in computer power supply? Yes, computer power supplies can contain small amounts of gold along with other precious metals. Gold is used in various components within a power supply unit, such as connectors, pins. But usually gold is not. Do floppy disk readers contain gold? Yes, floppy disk readers, like many electronic devices, contain small amounts of gold along with other metals. The gold is typically found in connectors and components on the circuit boards. However, it's important to note that the amount of gold in a single floppy disk reader is very small, and it would not be a practical or economical source of gold for recovery. In any case, the floppy disk still has an IC chip with multiple pins and gold wire inside that's interesting. This is probably the most gold-used piece for a floppy disk. Old computer motherboards are prime targets for gold mining. This is because it houses the processor or CPU, which contains a high amount of gold. Normally, the connection points and pins of the processor are gold-plated, and there is also gold wire inside the processor, but some processors may not have gold-plated pins. Unexpectedly, the old LCD screen contained more gold inside than I had previously thought. You can see that there are a lot of IC chips, and there are also pins all around them, meaning there's a lot of gold wire required for the internal connections. And that is the gold we will receive. Old electronic equipment definitely never disappoints us. An LCD screen, which stands for liquid crystal display, is a type of flat panel display technology commonly used in televisions, computer monitors, and other devices. Here are some key points about LCD screens. Technology: LCD screens work by using a liquid crystal solution sandwiched between two layers of transparent electrodes. The liquid crystal molecules can be manipulated to control the passage of light, which creates images on the screen. Backlighting. LCD screens require a backlight source to illuminate the pixels. This is usually a series of fluorescent lamps in older models or LEDs in newer models. The light from the backlight passes through the liquid crystals to produce the image. LCD screens are generally more energy efficient than older CRT, cathode ray tube, monitors. LED backlit LCDs, in particular, are known for their energy-saving properties. LCD technology allows for thin and lightweight displays, which is why it's used in devices like laptops, tablets, and smartphones. Thank you for watching our video clip. In the next video clip, Make Gold from Old Notebook Computer Part 2, we will separate the devices inside the circuit board and the pieces with gold inside and dissecting various equipment to see internal components. Don't forget to follow and watch the video.